again with another video, and as you guys can tell from the background, boop, we are at MB Fab. So today is the day we're gonna be taking apart this beautiful front end. So this is the last time you guys see it like this. So take a really good look at it, because I enjoyed it the little time that I had it bone stock with just coilovers and GSR blades. So yeah, we're gonna start disassembling right about now and getting ready for that Type R front end. First part I'm probably gonna be tackling is the bumper. It looks like there's some flathead screws all around here. Oh, I mean, Philip said not flathead. All around here, and then there's probably some along here, but as you can see, this fender is a little bit pushed in, and there's probably some underneath as well.
Damn, it's just stuff up.
Yeah, it's probably never been removed. All right, guys, so a little update for you guys. We just removed the hood. We started removing the bumper, as you guys saw, but this one's getting stripped, and I don't have a big enough flathead, and I have to get a bigger, not flathead, Phillips head. Start removing all of these bolts here, and then Astrid went ahead and removed, there's a couple screws right over here for your mud flaps, which are right there, and there's one 10mm bolt there. All that's left to, I believe, removing this fender is, I believe there's a bolt under the side skirt, and then a couple clips up here because I still got the fender well. But yeah, I think this is the first time I've seen this thing on a lift. Anyways, guys, we're over here at MB Fab. We're putting on the Type R front end over here with Brandon and Mike.
That.
Boom. Pretty much the front bumper is off. I think I just have one bolt holding it, or one screw holding it, and it should be ready to come off. Damn, I just realized I can't go back after this. So I'm gonna have to cut it here and here, and weld that new one on. Let me step outside. So we just gotta weld on the new radiator support. Right now Mike is making the other radiator support pretty again, because as you guys can tell from the last video, the radiator support didn't look so pretty. So he's gonna do his fabrication on it and make it look all pretty again, and then weld that right back onto my car. And then later on I'm gonna be painting it, that way it's all nice in one color. But for right now, the goal today is just to get that front end on. I wasn't able to get the front, not the front bumper, but the front hood. I wasn't able to get the front hood in the car, so I'm gonna have to ride hoodless on the way back. But yeah, look also what I just picked up for the Integra. I just picked up a nice 2000 rear bumper, OEM. It's gonna be going on that car. So what I like about it is this lower part is different from that car, as you guys can see. So I like the 2000 rear bumper better, so I'm just gonna be putting this one on. Got all this stuff going, got the old bumper off. If somebody wants this bumper, hit me up. I'll be selling it. Headlights, hoods in the trunk, fenders, all that. So if you guys want that stuff, hit me up. Oh shit, you found out.
I won't.
Caught me. Astrid's new Skyline R32.
Upgrade, the Mini Cooper.
Yep, just a little upgrade, that's all. Alright guys, a little update for you guys. So I don't know if you guys can remember, but Mike was able to clean this side up where all the booger welds were. Same thing on this side. Sprayed some primer on there so it wouldn't rust. And got that situated. The ugly kind of gap that was here, he was able to weld on a piece. super clean. All I gotta do now is just spray some paint on it and she should look good as new. Mike just sprayed some primer on there and now it looks like legit there's nothing there. Once I really paint this thing will look mint. Alright guys, we're gonna put on this massive turbo, or maybe a small turbo. I think it would fit, right?
I mean, I can make anything fit.
Alright. Guys, she is all done. I was kind of able to fit all my pieces in the back. Shout out to Mike for getting me some zip ties to zip down the hatch there, since it doesn't want to close all the way because all the bumpers are in there and all the rest of my front end. But anyways, yeah, she's all done. I have the hood at the shop back at home, so
Back, there's no lights.
Yeah, I have to make the most out of this daylight because I don't got no headlights. Well, no bulbs in them, so she looks pretty good. I'm really happy the way it came out. I just have to do some body work next. Put on my hood and send her off to paint and she should be good. What do you think? Do you like it?
How did it feel? Did you cry? No.
It wasn't that bad.
Exactly.
It wasn't that bad at all. But yeah, anyways, I'm heading out of here. Mike, appreciate it.
Thank you, buddy.
Thanks, man. Where's Brandon? Oh, okay. Yeah. Appreciate it, homie. Alright, guys. It is now probably a week later from that last clip. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been trying to pump out like 2 or 3 videos a week. So I've been kind of spreading them apart. I've been recording actually a lot of videos. So yeah, as you guys can see, the Integra is now finished. Well, sorta. I still got to fit on the hood. I just have it laying on there. That's why you don't see it properly aligned in this gap here and whatever. All the panels need to be readjusted anyways. But it didn't really matter to me anyways because I'm going to be taking everything off and getting it ready for paint basically. Next step would be definitely getting the car ready for paint. So I'm going to be sanding everything down, getting rid of any little dings that I have. Getting that rear bumper on, that 2000 bumper that you guys saw on the car, and yeah, just getting it ready for paint. Before I go ahead and paint it, I would have to order my front lip for this car because it has no front lip and it looks really, really weird. So yeah, definitely getting a front lip, as well as a wing. I'm not going to say which wing, I'm going to leave that as a surprise, I guess. Some of you guys who personally know me know what wing I really want. But anyways, guys, this is probably where I'm going to end today's video. Massive shout out to the boys over at MB Fab, Mike and Brandon. I appreciate y'all. Definitely would not be able to make it as clean as you guys. So I'm glad I stopped by and had you guys did that. So massive shout out to you guys. If you guys are in the Southwest Florida area and you need any work done to your car, whether it's fabrication work, swaps, I mean, pretty much anything done to your car, be sure to hit up MB Fab. They probably can do it for you. They're located in Bradenton, Florida. So be sure to hit them up. Anyways, guys, this is probably going to end today's video. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. We're on the road to 2K subscribers, guys. So be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell button so you guys can know every time that I upload. Also, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below. If you guys really like this front end, I personally love it because I don't see too many of these front ends, especially in my area where I'm from. You always see the USDM front end and never the Type R front end, so I love it. Let me know if you guys love it too down below. But that is all that I have for you guys today. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.